Do you think the market is still going to crash? I'm honestly asking because I got into an interesting conversation with somebody who's not a licensed realtor the other day, and it led me to wonder if I should make this video and just kind of poke around and see your thoughts and give you my thoughts and see if we were on the same page. There are a few reasons I don't think we're going to crash. Here in the Treasure Valley, we are severely undersupplied with homes. And if you live here and you look around and you see construction going up everywhere, you'd think, no, we're not undersupplied, but we are undersupplied with homes. There still aren't enough homes for buyers who want to be homeowners. And so with that, the supply and the demand needs are not being met. That's why our home prices have stayed nice where they're at for the most part, and they will continue to be that. Interest rates, while yes, they are very high, are still, I know you hate hearing this, historically low. And they actually are coming down slightly. They came down slightly last week. And that doesn't mean they're going to continue coming down. But here is the big takeaway. If we see rates at 5 and 6% again, I truly believe that all these buyers that are on the sidelines waiting are going to flood back into the market again. And you know what that means? That means multiple offers again. And you know what that means? That means higher purchase prices all over again. Another thing to note is that, and I think I've said this before, but the crash of 2008 was extremely different than it is now. Number one, the predatory lending was through the roof. You could walk into a business and say, or loan office and say, I make this amount of money, and you'd get an approval based on your statement. You could choose your appraisers. You could, state your income and get a loan. So that is not what's happening now. So we're not going to see a rush of homeowners losing their homes. We might see some, and that's really terrible, but not like we did before. I know that in some places right now, it is more cost effective to be renting, which is a bit of a challenge for the home market, right? But I read in the comments section of another post recently that homeowners who want to be homeowners, buyers who want to be homeowners, they want to stay homeowners. They're not going to go from being a homeowner to a renter unless circumstances really make it necessary to do so. So while rents, yes, are lower, I still think that people love the pride of homeownership and having the renters, they don't have the freedom like a homeowner does. So those are a couple reasons why I think the rental market isn't going to affect the home price market. Okay, this video is getting long, but this is the last thing I'll say. Especially here in the Treasure Valley, people want to live here. It is a beautiful state. It is well run. It is a place with the majority great people around us. It's beautiful. There are restaurants, there are schools, there are new homes, there are clean neighborhoods, there are parks, there are things to do. I could go on, but Boise and the Treasure Valley are a highly sought after place for people to live in, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. So again, that means people want to be here, they will spend money to live here, and they will spend money to own homes here. So that is my 5-minute discussion on the crash, and I hope this was helpful. I open the conversation to you, and I love a good conversation about this. So make some comments. Let me know your thoughts.